Mima Oribia Kwaba ever juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bravo. Hey, Hawa Koomson or the Sama Kutuga Madana football from Yepa. Emma Dogo na chese to one to be manano and yet ascent to what the seminar a demo. Now, so we are subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say over subscribe. Without the say over clicking the subscribe button. Now, what daily notification? We had a sign video for the other upload. Was so inside airbag can be. After we are now like video, my thumbs up. Now, feel watch it, share my awful for so now we may be share no one here. Air course ever Ghana memoir. After young call a 7 a year Hawa Koomson, a Minister for Fisheries, Aquaculture, or no soon a MP for Owusu Senior East constituency. Now, what the Ensimma a year. Net2 TV one the phobia by radio so and one I Hawa Koomson copy of Kokansin be a Ghana for the full pa. Some of Kokai or say if rent is expensive in Ghana, try Canada. And in Ghana for both in men in Kuma said the rent is some tier when you're 2 years advance and maybe quite 3 years advance. There's a dine with me and Ghana so no boy they didn't Canada or Kokana City or you say her rent, you know, the better advance by 2 years. If every month you pay your rent. At Hawa Koomson. Now, since we have a Kotuga now, for fun, simply grammar Ghana for book of now, you share a story at the Tuga or the new funny picture. You share story no. Koomson, that's some of the kind and you share a story now at the Tuga. Alright, okay, I'll say if rent is expensive in Ghana, try Canada. So, did you say rent on the board here? Anyway, we'll try Canada. Hawa Koomson to Ghanaians in some way, and or the better and the other in Abeba. Now, you share say coastal zone coordinator who screen so for the Bawumia 2024 campaign and MP for Owusu Senior East constituency. Mavis Hawa Koomson has maintained that rent in Canada is more expensive than it is in Ghana due to global economic downturn. Now, person just say rent is in Canada there just a buja or what the board in crossing a year Ghana Kuma economic economic system now you see. More than now the Canada have to Ghana. Ghana have standard of living and yes and to Canada a lot of opportunities. You school or it's the same here. Also in her first radio interview after her new appointment on the Near FM the Mensah program, the Minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture Development admonished Ghanaians to be grateful to the government for the economic success chalked so far. Just say Yama you so the year Akufo-Addo na buy since when it's near my economy in 7 or 2 years. She talked about her recent trip to Canada, pointing out that it was far more expensive than to rent a single room there costing more than 2,000 Canadian dollars. Not to say single room or home no just say more than 2,000 Canadian dollars. People have been complaining that rent is expensive in Ghana. They should go to Canada. For a month, you pay over 2,000 Canadian dollars. That is for a single room, not even chamber and hall. Really, in some area, Hawa Koomson every 2 years, Ghana for be brave, more economy, no money, much to rent it. So I am simply brave. If you are renting here, said the tier, without 2 years advance, there's no way I will be to me. Then I rent it. No more boy thing. Your home, children, now because I send me Ghana for. Be a friends and minister, Sasu MP. Uncle Becca is a better Ghana for a simple now, Liberty. Then a Ghana for not chasing so now maybe one comment in Abeba. Now you could see a year Hawa Koomson said your cancer send me or this answer with a 2 year you could see in 7 answer. My main fact the picture crowd to us here. Wow, women on the picture war as you know Hawa Koomson. I feel you a year and summer when the 2 year nothing. Your back into a year and common so in 7 answer.
I heard someone saying, say, and a dime boy a day or Ghana. Yeah. Uncle Canada. Last year, August, when I went to Canada. Now, a dime boy. Oh, when you be crowned on a month no, is over 2,000 Canadian dollars. A month, our Canada. It is a way of Jumana would jack 3,000, now debate 2,000. And yes, a chamber and hall, one single room, and our porch kitchen kakra. Over 2,000 Canadian dollars. Our Canada. Now, say, won't call be a fua. Ufu say, would ye name ye? and I wona wuni ma adosi obi ewiase no ayedi wo baby menka say people are not suffering. Okay, me as a member of parliament and where I'm me kromu kaswano, I know what is in the system. But when you compare Ghana to other countries, Ghana is doing far better. My young over and to my go abonti as if say Ghana say mama. Woman be ka say I buy brand beju or
I also a nurse ni.
Medana say I no cre. I know say sika no no so. Benanaya I buy government na do sika no cre de mama me na nka nsu ni di. Na do sika. Yes sane de na do cre sika de mama mi nurse ya working here. Say sika no cre nsu ni di. Because the more she gets the money, the higher her priority, her needs. The higher her needs. There's nothing. Yeni na eko school. I mean, economics kakra yesu as what you say. The thing is, on my penny sika na original. So original na. Say sika no kra yesu ni di. Because the moment obe we say ni sika no, and then answer.
My president catch us here it is cash.
My baba we be ba say oye adwuma bi wo baabi. Oh, ma adwuma ne ye meje 12,000. Me say really?
12,000 Ghana.
12,000 Ghana.
Were you shocked?
I was shocked.
Then also.
Now Sammy for say as minister MPs in Kwan Ejisika more than so when I heard about me say 12,000 was say I was say mama 12,000 is when sumi. Hey. Was say no ya na meji maketria. But me to eka preko ani me ho.
So many my dey. Niam akosoro.
Dabi. Tie, enye nioma ayede. Sa wo hu so oje aketria. Dabi wo hu so oje aketria kese. Eti wo se wakoye mortgage. Wato dan mortgage ayete na bosomi. Wasa akoto asase wo baabi wo ye wei ye nioma bebre
enti ye na ya ma ho kire na ba ye so ana
tie wo ye nioma bebre enti nioma na ono ankasa confess to me wo say enu enti no ama nioma na ye den adoso ebu egu me so enti mi sika no kra me gye ya no before beba mi nsem no na asa.
But honorable, you would agree with us to say the standard of living in Canada and the standard of living in Ghana enyepe.
That's your thinking, my brother.
And Oshe the way especially if for COVID-19 crafting example. During the COVID-19 era, Canada for no much almost citizens for almost credit. At least $1,000, 1,000 Canadian dollars every 2 weeks via. Here in our country, there was nothing like that.
Were they paying their workers?
Of course, they were paying.
No.
They were paying.
Now say US Ukraine and you say US for lay their workers out. Some workers out.
Yeah, admit to say.
They were even though US lay some of the workers out, but they were still giving them money.
Yes, so in a typical
and that
case,
number will not be. You see, the strength of Canada and Ghana is not the same. Yeah, to me, found to but what Ghana did during the COVID, Masa. So we knew what it is.
But in the Auditor General's report, the amount of money that was spent, it's not accounted for. I say almost see Akoto no when they draw no cry my medication now money Akoto won't
mean to me and can be found because I don't have details about it.
Right.
But
what to me can be found because only details about it. You need to come COVID you can buy Bakaya aye odi bi liki ya aye from north aye na religu aye for the vice chairperson ba kwa obeche kwan ya aye COVID sika no one chair no. Auditor General report by says Kennedy Agyapong they could even account for it. And into the whole Ghana say whole team only figures for them. Obetimi a chair found. But this no, that's the truth. Now what the trust with here and somewhere here Hawa Koomson aircar. Oh say rent is expensive in Ghana there we should try Canada. But the community needs some work on into the continuation now.
In my small constituency now me woman. Nyoma eba me constituency no was not even enough. I, as the member of parliament, had to add mine. Oh, and you are near near the Pentecost has already, and other communities are binding by you. Na fish mo, local rice, and a gari. Need na tilapia fresh ones. No more deba. Na yedi koma womo. Mimi community, I saw it. But you see, bia na Canada sama yekasa na bind this discussion confusion na. Omo fe aduane no nko community no mo but yen for say we sika na ekwa emwa because sika no will not be that much but wo ka bom na wo to nyoma na ebe doso na wo de akọ but still workers were receiving their salary.
So you have something to campaign about?
Oh yes, Share apart from road as some I can Nana me adia ba ko a eye me fe wo MPP amemu amedeti adia ba ko pe won we kan yen yesisu yes me nka say yenum kanea e bia yeti me nka say yenum kanea but yedumu a how many hours eni yedumu no na COVID-19 na a global crisis emma we are see eso na ye dadum somu 12 hours and na ye dem it is with all this na ne yetumi da kanea mu would unkoto fuel embegu generator mu en so mfanye adwuma ye he na wo pe yes fuel why dey e wo wi ase ni na Ghana your fuel rising up to 23 cedis or so and then it's less than 15 cedis.
It's around 12.9.
12.9.
13.
Whatever said 13. From 24 to 13. More than 100%.
But it was lower before you took over.
Oh. Now make catch us say that when it was even lower that we took over, were they able to buy fuel to the generator? Were they able now your system na nya say machine be na say you. Dum so na e wo mu no. Na your fuel o mu de begum na your problem. Look, when you sit down you hear how much we invest in your light system who be true. And yes ka ketwa billions of dollars. Okay, now that time now you need global crisis no mama ye da dum so mu na for no boy ye di Ghana ye da dum so mu but in the global crisis no ye da dum so mu and na fuel no so ko bi Ghana when the global crisis we ko Italy ha no ma park o mo cars no mo ntumi ento o mo nya fuel ni bi kra ngum be Ghana na ne board but we could get the fuel we could usika we ntumi into oil kra obedi e wo Germany want to mean talk more than one bottle. But Ghana, who will Usika, you could buy thousands of bottles to your home. Will be anyone very restrictive. And then kwa Germany kwa he will lights because of lights in Tim Conform Yari, they be our Germany. They bath twice in a week. Because no water, no lights. Oh yeah. Yeah, more time, yeah, more lights, or more heating you. Germany has some make you. Enye Nigeria me see Germany asem na make but sometimes your person be show say we travel me wo kwa outside na wo ko hu ni o me ekoso a ma me utina se no bisa ho say na wo man no sika ndoso wo man no but wo wasumdwe wo wahoto if you have the money you get what you want share eduane wo de Ghana
bani boarding
me see aduane ho odiana
there be no boarding
it's available but no board na ye dey no you see don't expect to say last 2 years now we talk your friend is saying banchi who kuta 50 Ghana cedi a obetu ato banchi na yi aba be there be ye biase ni economy and what you were spending 2-3 years ago you should not expect to say the same thing about spending and there na say wo kra wo nko wanim because wo kra po wanu mu taste no kra asesa
you take for waiting and some Hawa Koomson there come. Just say you no boy dey no no dey who say normal say you no boy dey Ghana for mu kire on dey who say normal. Na yen hwe ye some ye Hawa Koomson dey betu dwa ye Ghana for bi bo fu pa na some wane e trotro ye do enye nsenkitwa ye hwe nsem bi a Ghana for e tro ya bra wane te say Hawa Koomson akoka ye rent expensive rent was try Canada ye so Canada e yo we your friend e call down say arrogance of power. Their leader, Nana Akufo-Addo, has always been arrogant, as predicted by Nyahu Tamaku, or also media. Really, a bold base, say the number of votes MPP will get will determine the number of psychiatric homes in this country. Also, media, in the ways where they dominate, or say such comparison depicts a very reckless and irresponsible person who doesn't deserve to be a minister. So I will ask Bawumia to quickly withdraw her from the campaign team. Just say asema mami de tuga no entwegi on the conversation na ke Bawumia and you won free any campaign team. Now we will say how can you compare Ghana to Canada? The opportunities they have there, the good governance system we have or enjoy the same here, that one is true. Compared to the here systems Canada no informative to Ghana. Advanced country and developing country no baby. Then now they Canada rent able to Ghana rent home. Where should the friend Thomas or say if we say something now, they will say the youth don't respect the elderly anymore. How can we be telling you things that need attention in Ghana where we live and you are referring us to Canada? This one will score 0 in my class. And also Nasema what they buy, I don't know. What you say? Upon Andrew, I say then give us Canadian visa, such a reckless statement. Also the Paris, or say, but some of our so-called leaders, some of them lack wisdom. Look at what MP is saying. No wonder they copy everything from their father. And also Nasema what they buy, you know. Can we also try Canadian minimum wage, very low unemployment rate comparatively with ours, and adequate facilities? I mean, we shouldn't just try their expensive bills. And also maybe you know. They say Canada is doing the better projects with their taxes. What are you using Ghana's own for? Ghana for the then year. Well, so the King Power say this lady has always been this arrogant. I'm not surprised at all if your president is Jack Toronto. Which what more do you expect from these ones? I don't know. I say where the William O'Henry say how much is their minimum wage compared to dollar? How much is Canadian dollars compared to Ghana cedi? Yeah, my checks be on this Canadian dollar, no. I think so. Let me show it. Let me put it on the screen. Let's find out Canadian dollar. Let's find out here. Canadian dollar to a cedi. One Canadian dollar no is equivalent to 9.25 Ghana cedi, which is almost about 10 cedis. 1 Canadian dollar. That is what we have. 1 Canadian dollar. I don't know. Canada has a lot of opportunities. We cannot compare ourselves to Canada. Ghana for the Canada. Most of the people want to go. Big do now 1% want to go Canada. Since a new more cost or Hano when a new home. Now because I say we're not Obi Enya Kunya. Only a Canada or the co. Let share comment back on you Sana Infa and community AC. Go now is a reckless statement. A 7 or kind of to say in KU you gonna want to say reckless statement. Reckless statement. Also the King Morrison. This one the reason why Ghana is suffering. Comparing gold to dust. You got the opportunity to go to Canada and you are talking. Did you feel how serene the environment is? The kind of rose you saw, is it the same as casual rose? Yeah. Hey, I don't see the names of Nanoshi. You're for winning and summer year. Hawa Koomson Eddie Tuga na Anuna Ghana for be Eddie I wanted to be Eddie Emano. Also, bet me actually what you find some women at home. I will comment watching. Now, say we can subscribe to channel also. Mr. Say over subscribe. Now, I like it. Now, I share my offer for so in your and same way be active. Mobile make a be in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.